The 2024 Kawasaki KX112 is a Supermini motocross bike, designed to excel in the highly competitive Supermini class. Powered by a class-leading 112 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, it offers strong low-end torque for impressive holeshot performance and drive out of corners. The bike features a sturdy high-tensile steel perimeter frame, adjustable suspension, and 19-inch front/16-inch rear wheels with Dunlop MX33 tires, catering to larger youth riders navigating motocross tracks. The ergonomic design, adjustable handlebar mount, and a flat seat contribute to rider comfort and control. The KX112's engine, with a bore and stroke of 52.5 by 51.6 mm, incorporates a power valve system, fine-tuned carburetor settings, and a 6-speed transmission designed to withstand the engine's output. The chassis, complemented by 36 mm inverted front forks and Uni-Trak rear suspension, allows riders to fine-tune settings for optimal performance. The bike's factory-inspired styling, including model-specific shrouds, not only enhances its looks but also facilitates rider control and movement. The article emphasizes the KX112's role in bridging the gap between mini bikes and full-size race bikes, making it an ideal choice for aspiring racers looking to transition. The Kawasaki KX motocross lineup for 2024 includes the KX112, KX85, and KX65, each tailored to different skill levels. Kawasaki's commitment to racing is highlighted through the Team Green Racing team, offering support and contingency rewards to amateur racers. The KX112's key features include a high-performance two-stroke engine, adjustable ergonomics through the Geofit sizing system, and Dunlop MX33 tires for enhanced grip and stopping power. The bike is priced at $5,599 in the US, $6,299 CDN in Canada, and the Europe/UK MSRP is not specified. Overall, the 2024 Kawasaki KX112 aims to provide a winning combination of power, handling, and a well-optimized chassis for aspiring racers looking to elevate their motocross experience.